Welcome to RP's group of schools online classes. Dear students, we were studying the chapter Habitat of Living Things. This is the second module. In this module, we will study about the types of habitats. There are two types of habitat, aquatic habitat and terrestrial habitat. Aquatic means water and terrestrial means land. So, the first one is aquatic habitat. The organisms living in water are called aquatic organisms and their habitat is called aquatic habitat or water habitat. For examples, oceans, seas, rivers, ponds, lakes, pools, etc. Because this kind of habitat is present in water. So again, this aquatic habitat is grouped into two categories. Number one, marine habitat. Number two, freshwater habitat. The marine habitats contains salt water like seas and oceans. In this habitat, marine animals lives like whales, turtles, sharks, starfish, etc. There are many marine plants are also there in this habitat like fucus, sargassum, etc. In freshwater habitat, the water is not saline. The water present in ponds, pools, lakes, rivers, they comes under the freshwater habitat. In this habitat, freshwater animals, freshwater plants are there. For example, fishes, ducks, tortoise are the freshwater animals. And lotus, hydrilla, water lily, etc. are found in freshwater plants. Now, the terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial means land. The organisms living on land are called terrestrial organisms and their habitat is called terrestrial habitat or land habitat. In this, there are 5 types of habitat are there. Forest habitat, grassland habitat, desert habitat, tundra habitat, mountain habitat. So we will study about these habitat one by one. The first one is forest habitat. The large area of land thickly covered with all tall trees, short bushes and creepers. So that area is called as a forest. In the forest, the tall trees forms canopy. As you can see in this diagram, short trees and bushes forms undergrowth. Grasses and creepers form floor vegetation in the forest. Forest is the home for different types of animals. On the basis of their habitat, animals are of different types like terrestrial animals, aerial animals, arboreal animals, aquatic animals, amphibians. Terrestrial animals are those animals which lives on land like cat, dog, cow, camel, etc. Aerial animals are those which can fly in air like birds, insects. Arboreal animals are those which can live on trees like monkey, lizard. Aquatic animals are those which lives in water. We have already studied about these. Amphibians animals are those which live in water as well as in on land like frog and toads. So now the next is types of forest. There are 3 main types of forest on the basis of temperature, moisture and types of trees. So these are the 3 forest. Number 1 tropical rainforest, number 2 temperate forest, number 3 boreal forest. In tropical rainforest, the climate is hot and moist. The temperature ranges between 20 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius. Rainfall throughout the year and average rainfall is of 200 centimeter. This rainforest generally found in area between equator and the tropics on earth. Second type of forest is temperate forest. These The climate of these forests is warm and humid during summer but cold and dry in winters. The temperature ranges from minus 30 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall is 150 centimeter. They have deciduous trees because their trees, they shed their leaves in the autumn and the leaves again grow in the spring season. The third type of forest is boreal forest. They have short summer and long winter. The temperature ranges from minus 50 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. They receive heavy snowfall. And these type of forests found in taiga regions between the poles and temperate zones on the earth. The next is grassland habitat. The large area of land covered with the long grasses and trees and shrubs are very few. Annual rainfall varies from 50 centimeter to 90 centimeter. It provides home and food to both herbivores and carnivores. Zebra, deer, buffaloes, giraffes and elephants, etc. and are found in this habitat. These are herbivores. Lions, tigers, hyenas, foxes, etc. These are carnivores. They are also found in this habitat. Next habitat is desert habitat. The deserts are very dry and hot or cold places. The annual rainfall is very scarce, that is less than 25 centimeter annually. In hot desert, day temperature reaches up to 45 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Gerbils, kangaroo rats, snakes, camels are desert animals. Cacti, date palm, acacia and succulent plants. The succulent plants which store the water in stem or their leaves. They grow in this desert. Many animals dig burrows to escape scorching heat during the daytime. The next habitat is tundra habitat. These habitats are always covered with snow. They are found around the poles, so they are very cold and dry. Vegetation is very scanty and in the form of some grasses only. Polar bears, reindeers, Arctic foxes, and snow dogs are found here. Polar bears have fur and a thick layer of fat under their skin, which is called as blubber. Next habitat is mountain habitat. Mountains are rocky and very cold. Snowfall occurs in winter. Trees on mountains are cone-shaped and leaves are needle-like so that snow can just slide off. Snow leopard, sheep, yak, mountain goat are found here. That's all for today. Thank you.